What's up, family? It's your boy, That Boy Can Cook, back at you with another one. And we have delicious, easy, quick, not too many ingredients, and everybody will love you. Chimichanga Casserole. Yeah, check us out. Chimichanga Casserole, baby. Yeah. Now let's get to it. All right, family, this is what we working with. We got a pound of ground chuck. We got 1 can of rotel with tomatoes and green onions. We got some good old enchilada sauce. It came from the can. And of course, we got the star of the show. We got them chimichangas, baby. We got some Colby jack cheese. We gonna shred it ourselves. Just makes for a better melting. And we got that salt and pepper to season that ground meat. And of course, we got our dish and we got our cheese grater. Now let's get to it. Yeah. Go ahead and get our cheese grated. If you need you a good cheese grater at a reasonable price, I'll throw me an affiliate link in there and you can go check that out. And if you happen to buy one of these bad boys, I'll get a small little piece of change to help the channel. Bam, just that simple. Cheese grated, just that simple. There it is. Now let's get to the rest of it. All right, now we got our cheese shredded up. We got our oil continue to getting hot back here. So let's go ahead and season up our ground chuck. Let's just flatten that out. There we go. I can season it better. Let's give it a little bit more. There we go. So let's just get our meat seasoned and ready. A little bit more. So we're doing about teaspoon, not a tablespoon, forgive me. We're doing about a teaspoon of salt and pepper mix. Now let's get back to the stove and get our chimichangas fried off. All right, let's go ahead and get our chimichangas in there. And our grease. And I have about 2 cups of canola oil in here. And you want your grease, your oil, to be about 350, 340-ish, 350-ish. And you're just gonna cook them for 2 to 3 minutes on each side until they are beautifully golden brown. Let me show you what I'm talking about in a minute. Yeah. All right, let me show you what I'm talking about. Look at that. Can you see it? Ooh, look at that. Yeah, let's get that boy flipped over. There we go. Got another one. Hold it at a better angle for you. There you go. That's what we're looking for right there. That's what we're looking for right there. Got another one. Got another one. So that's it right there. That's all we got to do, family, on those. Cook those 2 to 3 minutes per side till they look like that. Pull them out. Now we're gonna move on to the next step. Yeah. Go ahead and make sure we preheat our oven. And we're gonna do 400. So we have it preheating. Now we're gonna get back to it. And there it is, family. Look at that. Nice golden brown chimichangas. Ooh, we're getting close to the end. We're getting close to the end. Let's finish. Yeah, let's finish. All right, our pan is hot enough. Let's go ahead and get this meat in now. There we go. So we just gonna cook it down. Forgive me family, I forgot to add our onions. I didn't even put those in the ingredients. So here are our onions. It's still gonna cook right along with it. So forgive me for that mishaps, but we still cooking, baby. We still going. Oh, that oven ready. That oven is ready. So let's just finish this, and we're gonna put everything together, and we're gonna be ready for that oven that just went off in a minute. As you see, our meat is done and ready. So let's just get it drained real quick. Not that much grease in it, but I don't want none in it. So let's get this drained. All right, we got our meat drained. Let's throw it back in the pan real quick. There we go. And we're gonna throw about a third of a cup of our enchilada sauce in there. And just mix it up. Go ahead and turn your heat off. And just make sure that all of your meat has some of that enchilada sauce in it. Now last but not least, let's add half of our can of rotel into our meat as well. And just make sure it's well distributed and mixed in. There we go. Let's get to this prep table and let's build this delicious Chimichanga Casserole. Yeah, bad boy. So we just gonna lay our chimichangas, the remainder of our enchilada sauce. Just make sure you're getting enchilada sauce on each one of them. There you go. Just like that. Yeah. Top. And just kind of, alrighty. Let's top it off with some of this queso. This delicious Colby jack cheese that we freshly shredded ourselves. We gotta feel proud. You know it. Get this last one on here. We're just gonna stick them right there on top. It don't even matter. Let's just get the sauce on here. There we go. And just finish it off throughout. Just like that. Yeah. Alrighty. I'm just gonna make sure we got meat on top of that one. And just spread it throughout until it's evenly distributed. There we go. All right, last but not least, some more queso right on top of that boy right there. Yeah. Let's get all this cheese. There we go. There it is. That is the Chimichanga Casserole, baby. Now let's throw it in the oven, and we're gonna hit it in the oven till the cheese melted but I say anywhere from 10 to 15 minutes. Everything is already cooked. We just basically melting the cheese. Ooh, look at it peeking out at you. It's peeking out at you. I believe we are all set and done, baby. And done. Look at that. Look at that. Chimichanga Casserole, baby. In your face. Yeah. As always, family, that is it. That is all. Another delicious recipe dish done. And you know what it look like. If you've been with me, you know what it look like. Check us out. Chimichanga Casserole. As you can see, your boy been tearing it up. It's that good. Your boy been tearing it up. But that boy can cook. Out the place, out your face. Till the next time.